Hello, today we are going to do two problems from the ICSE Board Examinations 2019, and it's a 2 hour long examination, and we are going to do specifically mathematics because that's what this channel is made for. Okay, so let's look at the first problem. 11x minus 4 is less than 15x plus 4 is less than equal to 3x plus 14, and x belongs to whole numbers. What are whole numbers? They are like natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but a 0 in between. In fact, 0 inclusive. Write down the solution set. In fact, we have to write the whole number which satisfies this system of linear inequalities and represent it on a number line. Okay, so that's really interesting. The first linear inequality which I will be choosing is this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. 11x minus 4 is less than 15x plus 4. Okay, what does that mean? Let us subtract 15x from both the sides. So the 15x cancels out. We are left with negative 4x on the left hand side. And let us add a 4 to both the sides. So we will be left with this. Now we can divide both the sides by negative 4, but we have to take care of one thing. Whenever we are dividing by a negative, the sign flips over. Okay? Okay, so that's the solution. In fact, this is a very trivial solution. If it is a whole number, then obviously it has to be greater than negative 2. But let us see what else we can figure out. The second inequality will be this one. 15x plus 4 is less than equal to 3x plus 14. Why haven't I chosen these two? Because if it is greater than this, then obviously it's greater than that. Okay, so 15x plus 4 is less than equal to 3x plus 14. We can subtract 3x from both the sides. On the left hand side we will have 12x, and on the right hand side we will have 0x, and we can subtract 4 from both the sides, and we will be left with this. So x, we can divide both the sides by 12. 10 over 12, that's 5/6. Okay, so which whole number is less than or equal to 5/6? Well, we cannot have 1 because it is greater than 5/6. But we can have 0. So the only solution to these two inequalities is x equals 0. And if we have to represent it on a number line, we can represent it like that. We draw this line here. This is my number line. We have a 0 in the middle. We can choose it anywhere. We can have a 1, a 2, negative 1 and negative 2. This is my 0. That's my solution set. This is my solution set. That's my number line. Okay, let's look at the second. In fact, this is the third question. The second question on that examination was from shares and dividends, but since there's COVID-19 pandemic in this year, that chapter has been cancelled and it's not really important because commercial mathematics is not in the syllabus of class 11th. So I'm not going to touch that chapter, but we are going to touch statistics. See, okay, in a class of 40 students, we know the number of students. Marks obtained by the students in a class test out of 10 are given below. Marks 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, up to 10. And number of students. One student got 1 mark, two students got 2, 3 students got 3, 3 students got 4, okay, like that. And we have to calculate the median and the mode. What is the median? Median is the middle value. In fact, if I were to lay them all in a straight line, and I have to find the middle value, the value that lies just in between. And in fact, we don't have to just lay them in a straight line, we have to lay them in a straight line in an order, either ascending or descending. Okay, so there's a trick to how to calculate median. The trick is, see the first observation number, see the last observation number. The first observation number is 1, the last observation number is 40. We'll divide by 2 because we need to find the middle point. That's 40.5. In fact, that is 20.5. But does that make sense? That we have to find a 20.5 observation. No, that does not make sense. The reason is we cannot have a 20.5 observation. But one thing that makes sense is it must be a mean, arithmetic mean of the observation number 20 and observation number 21. So observation number 20 plus observation 21 divided by 2 is our median. Okay, this will be our median. Okay, this implies what? Well, what is observation number 20? Observation number 1 is 1. From 2 to 3 we have got 2. From 4 to 6 we have got 3. From 7 to 9 we will have 4. From 10 to 16 we will have 5. And so observation number 20 and observation number 21, they lie in this range. The 6 over 2, that's the median, which I guess we can calculate very easily. Median is 6. Let's go to the next question. Mode. What is the mode of this thing? Okay, mode is the value that repeats most often. The value that repeats most often, 10 students got 6. The most popular marks in this class is 6. So mode is something that is most popular. Mode is 6 because that has the highest number of frequency. That is the most popular value in this class. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.